Hey guys, it's Aidette, and today it's time for another CUCCOO shoe try-on haul. Holiday season came so freaking fast, guys. This year feels like we did a spin, stopped for a second, and it's now November. It honestly creeps me out just a little bit because I feel like time is just going way too fast for me, but I do have a code for you guys today because I know that you guys are going to love all of these shoes that are perfect for the holidays that are coming up, like Thanksgiving, Christmas. You guys can use the code CFB11, which will be right here, and you guys can also click in the link down below to get all the links to every single shoe that I'm showing you guys today. I have a lot of shoes and a different range from like strappy to boots to thigh highs, sparkly, and platform. So we got a lot to go through. Also, thank you CUCCOO for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna show you guys a full body here, and then I'll show you guys a little close up right here so you guys can see the juicy little details. The theme of this is pretty much Baddie parties, so it's going to be a lot of like Baddie shoes, holiday shoes, lots of sparkle, you know, very distinct designs. I know my whole entire audience is literally full of baddies, so this is gonna be right up your guys' alley. This here is their first pair. Isn't she so pretty? These are little clear heels with black all around, and it has the sparkly bows, which is so freaking cute. I wore an outfit today that you guys will see in just a second when I back up. It's dressy. It can replace a dress when you're not really feeling like you want to wear a dress. No dress for us today, but I have some dressy pants on, very strappy, and they go perfectly with literally everything since my outfit is black. Okay guys, this is the outfit. It's just a plain black little strappy outfit. Let me just show you guys how good it goes with these heels. These are what the heels look like. Like, they're pretty like medium size. They're not too tall, not too short, so I really like this length here. And then this is from the front. They're so pretty, guys. Like, look at how detailed they are. They're like simple but very fancy at the same time. So what do you guys think? I'm like so obsessed. And now here are the next pair of shoes. These are actually some chunky heels. As you guys can see, they're very tall, but I really like that about them, and they're also very comfortable, which is surprising. You have the little ankle strap. They're like a velvety hot pink, which you guys know pink is my favorite color, and they're just so pretty. And this is what they look like from the front. They're just a rounded toe, and you guys know I had to pick them up in blue because they're that cute. But now you guys can see a little bit up closer like how that these are like a velvety material, and they're very high, but again very comfortable. This high, since you do have that platform, so you have all of this length, but it's actually only this high, so it's not uncomfortable at all. Guys, I messed up. I confused these two to be the same style, but they're actually just very similar. As you guys can see, these both have the huge chunky platform, but these are open toe, and these do have more of like a reflective type of look to their velvet, and this velvet is more of like, you know, like a matted type. They also both have diamonds on the straps. You guys can see the blue also has it. Very similar, but a little different. And I actually have the same exact style of this one in pink. Which one would you guys rather wear, blue or pink in this one? This one does require a lot of strapping, but as you guys can see, the straps are so pretty and sparkly. I rolled up the pants a little bit to show you guys like the full effect of the shoe. These are really cute. I think the strapping does it for me, and it's also so reflective. The diamonds aren't failing to shine. I love how tall they are. Like, I love a tall shoes, especially since I am on the shorter side. I love a super tall heel. Now I'm going to show you guys the pink heels, but I'm going to show you guys in photo form since they're literally the same exact thing as the blue ones. So I'm going to show you guys right here. What do you guys think? Aren't they so pretty? They're just like chef's kiss. You guys already know my favorite color is pink, but the blue, like, the blue does something to me. I feel like the blue has character. It has like this rock star vibe to it, but like I said, depends on your mood that day. Now moving on to the fluffy shoes. This one does require some strapping. I feel like this strapping is easier because this one is more like strap how you want it, and the other one is kind of like a technical strap, like one strap around and then two straps around. But what I love about these types of straps is that you can literally do whatever you want. I'm just going to tie my shoe up like right to the front. I got two different pairs of furry shoes. I got these red ones, and I also got some pink ones. Again, I thought that they were the same style like the other ones, but they're just very similar. So this one is a pointed toe with a silver bottom. These red ones are really stealing the show, guys. I think these are so far my favorite shoes. This is what they look like from the sides. All right, guys, now for the pink fluffy, we're gonna do a front tie with double ties after that. All right, guys, hold on. I think these are tied up there with the red ones. You can see the bottom of it is a square toe, and it also has a strap on top of the sandal cut to it, and then it has a little fur on top. They're definitely gorgeous. Very, very cute. Now we're getting into some of my favorites for the winter time. Boots. These are cute. They have the fur top, they have the zip up, and they also have the flat shiny like faux leather material. So these are my shorter boots. I do have another pair of like midi boots, and then I have some that are like knee high, thigh high. Trying on our pink ones. These are our pink boots. Look at how cute these are. I haven't seen any boots like this actually, not in this type of like length. So this is like a velvet pink, and it has like a double platform type look, so you guys can see that it kind of like stacks to the bottom platform. But right before you thought you were done, this is the short version, but look at this. Now it's long. I haven't seen a boot do that. I'm not completely sure if that's the purpose of this boot, but I just did that. So, and the last item today, guys, is these fluffy boots. I think that these are gonna hit me at the thigh. I'm really big on like long, sexy boots. Ever since I was a little girl, I have always loved seeing like these super long, sexy boots at the mall, and I would always tell my mom like, when I grow up, like I'm gonna get those boots. And here I am with tons of stilettos, tons of like dancer shoes, you name it, sparkly shoes, everything. I do have a small addiction to like flashy shoes. I got it from my mama. I also do want to mention that these are very comfortable. Like all of these shoes that I have tried on have all been very comfortable. Definitely try out CUCCOO shoes, guys. I know that you guys will definitely love them, and you guys can also use my code that will be in the description down below, along with all the links to all the shoes that I showed you guys today. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.